I know how it's all gonna end. It's just the rerun. The rerun of my favorite episode. It's a game, cat and mouse. You are the mouse, and you're gonna run and scream. They always scream. There's always parts being cut off, entrails being yanked from stomach bones, being shattered to dust. Now, you tried to hide, but I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you good. Why? Just last night I played the game Girl. She thought I was so cute. She tried to pet me, but I may have bitten her arm off. And she ran. She screamed. She ran deep into an hall. And I crept through the shadows. My steps reverberating, giggling to myself, knowing that fear was feeling the child, and her cries gave away her position. So I lunged around the corner. I told her you had nothing to worry about. I know I hurt you, but I didn't mean to. I came closer to her. I meant to kill you. You wouldn't, you know it. She screamed again. I grabbed her by the leg and swung her up over my head and down into the ground again and again and again, smashing her face into oblivion. And she bled and cried, and eventually she died. Oh, I wonder what you are going to do, because I'm the abbreviation. Is the essence of all light, the warping, bending of your reality. Did you question everything you thought was real life? Better start running. Oh, that's all, folks.